Sometimes when you're working, you need to have a piece of paper with text read to you, or maybe a page of a book. And you can use TextAid to make that text accessible to your device so it will read it to you. All you do is you go to your TextAid account and click on the button above the world. This is image to text. Click choose file. This will allow me to take a photograph of the page. I'm on my phone at the moment. So click camera. Now I'll take a picture of some text. If it's clear, click OK. Now choose where you want to save the picture, the page of text. I'm going to save it in workplace documents. You can choose to have it read only so that it will read it to you, and then you can annotate on top of the text or extract bits. Or if you want to change the text, you can choose editable text. Click start. It's now OCRing it. It's finding all the text that's in that picture and making it accessible, so it will read it to you. Right, it's ready now. I'll go to the library and go to the folder I saved it in. That's at the top. It's this file with the numbers on. Here is the text. And to have it read to me, I just tap on the screen and it will read.
The opportunities for young people with dyslexia differ team of according.
Okay, so it's there reading with a nice natural voice. But it's maybe easier for me to edit this and maybe have some annotations on top or extract some if it was on my computer. So because this is all online, I can immediately go to my laptop. So here I am on my laptop. I can go to my library, go to the folder, and it will be there, of course. Now I can have this read to me on the computer. If I don't want to be reading it and following it with a white background, I can click text mode to have it with the settings I like. I can go back into layout mode. I could annotate it, so add some post-it note maybe.
Before Monday. Read this is before Monday.
And edit that because I heard it was wrong. Okay, so I've added a little post-it note to extract key bits. Now, if you want more information about how you'd use these two tools, annotating and highlighting, I have made separate videos for this. I'm just showing you quickly what you can do. So I'm going to click those highlights, and now I've taken out a bit of the text into a separate document. So that's how you use the image to text button to take a photograph of some text and listen to that text read to you, and lots more.